How to fix TikTok couldn't upload video problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can fix if TikTok says couldn't upload the video, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if TikTok says couldn't upload video for some reason, you're not being able to upload video on YouTube, first of all it could be due to your internet connection. Now if you're using a VPN because TikTok might be banned in a country, you want to make sure to get a good VPN because sometimes the VPN will make your internet quite slow, so make sure you connect to a very good VPN. After you do that, long press the TikTok app icon, then tap on the I button to come to its app information page. Then from here you simply want to go to storage and cache, and then clear cache, and also make sure to clear the storage. Now what this does is that it will delete any of the data that is stored inside the application, and after that you can try to resume it. This will also log you out of your account, by the way, just so you know. Then last but not the least, go to your Play Store or your App Store, wherever you're having the issue. Check for the TikTok app whether it has an update or not. If it has an update, you'll find an update button there, and make sure to update it to the latest version. So hopefully one of these may have helped you solve your problem. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.